What's up, traders? Welcome back to KG Trading. Currently in a live trade, about to get stopped out. I'm trying to get my other screen to work. Um, for some reason, ever since they updated it, I cannot have my other screen to share kind of like this. It only shows one page, it won't show the entire monitor. If I try to show the entire monitor, it just shows a black screen. So I have trade ideas open on that and another page, but anytime I go to it, it doesn't show trade ideas. It's all on the left. So I need to figure that out. But got this trade here for this break over the VWAP and consolidation. They went up. I got in at 62 because I was late. I was trying to get this software working before I got in a trade, and then it already popped. So I got in a cent late, but that's okay. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I'm in 50 shares. They're gonna either break out going up or break out going down because they're in a pennant right now. They have all the VWAPs and EMAs below them, so they got support here. Plus they're on the support trend line now, so I feel like they might break out going to the upside more than they will to the downside. My stop will be like 60 to 59. Depends how it looks. Okay. So they're hitting resistance right now. There's a ton of buying though. 62, that's not good. One at 63. No buying at 63, it's never going to get past. So that's what you got to watch. Yep, maybe. As soon as you see some bids coming up to 63, it's probably going to break. But nobody wants to. Let me just move this down a little bit. Come on. You see they're still squeezing in this pattern. We might break it right now. They got a lot more selling than do buying up here. So it's going to be hard for them to break 62. Or 63, I should say. If they come down to 60, I'll just stop. It might bounce. Actually, you know what? I'm going to hold at 60 because VWAP is right there. So 59 is still going to be my stop. 15 seconds left. See if I can make this line a little better. Right there. So they broke out a couple times, but like kind of instantly rejected. Then they actually hit it here. They broke out by like a half a cent, but they never broke by a full cent. So they're gonna break out within the next minute. There it goes. My stop is gonna have to be 59. So bouncing off VWAP again. If they hit 59, I'm just gonna get out. 3 cent stop. Looking for maybe 10 cents if they break. 7 to 10 cents I would be looking for here in this trade. I'll start scaling out as they get close to those profit targets within a cent or two. Okay. So now they have a really big support level here. They got two bottom wicks on VWAP, showing that's the support level because look at all the resistance here on VWAP. Now it's support. So that makes me feel a lot more safer in this trade. They just need to break over 63. If they could do that, they're going to break right through 64 probably and have a nice breakout. But I guess we have to wait and see, huh? see if I can get trade ideas down here. Oh, looks like they came in and hit you up again. I wasn't even looking. I can't have an order out right now. Okay. Probably gonna break right down. Because now they really did break that trend line because the candle actually closed below it. But we'll see. There's a ton of support at 60. So I'll have to be quick clicking this button. If I click it now, I'll get out at 59 because there's people buying there. So the order will just go right through. Okay, gotta get out. There it goes. Probably the start of a bigger move there. So just gonna honor that stop. That's how you have to trade. Okay, so I'm gonna come back, see if I can get this scanner working. We have 8 minutes till market open, so I'll definitely be back before then, hopefully. But see if I can get not the scanner. See if we can get this screen stuff working. I'm quickly coming back just to show you how big that drop was. I'm still trying to figure out. I don't think I can. I don't know why, but I don't think I can do it. So I'm gonna have to move it to this monitor, or I might just have to drag it. The thing that is annoying is I'm gonna have to do this. Well, not that. I'm gonna have to, you know, I can't just bring the scanner down or the scanner. I can't just bring these down and put them here because as soon as I click off, they go away. So I have to drag the screen over to make room for it so it doesn't go away. Show all. Drag these back up there. But there you go. That's how big that drop was. I knew they were gonna break hard if they broke that view up. So at least I was right. That's all that really matters in trading. But I'm gonna be back soon. Alrighty, I'm back. Just put it on the main monitor so it can actually capture it. This is what it won't do on the other screen. It's been like this for a couple of months. I don't know why, but here you can see everything. So these are the two gappers as of now for my settings. They're pretty broad. I made them, as you know, the market's very slow, so we have bigger floats. So the float's actually up to 100 million to capture something. Normally I'd keep that down to at least like 40 million, if not lower than that. But so this is what we got so far. We got MOTS and INS or ISNS. So ISNS. Jesus. So they're both absolutely crashing. Let's see what they do. Might have some bounce here, but I don't even know. I'm not gonna check them out. I'm gonna check out MOTS. Because these guys really just took a nice dip. They made a lower low actually. Or was the same low, I don't know. It might be the same bottom. Oh, now they made low. Basically the same bottom, but now they just opened up lower, making new lows, so they have all the room to fall now, so I'm not even gonna try to trade them. INIS. Oh, wrong one. ISNS. Okay. So they did bounce. They crashed really hard before that though. Why is that so stretched? Trying to get this good for you. Everything's different for me right now, so it's kind of weird. But I'll be buying the first minute. Holy crap! First minute candle make a new high on this, I guess. Man, this thing goes. So 10 shares would be 57 bucks. So I can go with 20 max. I don't even know if I could take that trade because they're just going so much right now. What's the volume on them? Wonder if I make this faster. I need to remember how to do that. I think it's in here. I thought so. Can I put this to something? I don't know. Don't know. I just got this last night. So a couple of seconds left. Need to put this back on day. And everything feels so squished right now. I'll buy over 67. That's where I'll buy. So let's see. This thing is a very rippy stock. Part of me saying wait for an entry down here, but I don't want an entry down there because then it's too bearish. Nobody's really gonna be on the stock. But this stock is not the one that has the most volume, as you can see. They only got 4 million. Relative volume is 28,000%. Crazy. So they're gonna consolidate down here. So they're gonna kind of chop around. So now I'm gonna cancel that and look for a better entry here. I still like this 67 level because it was resistance. So I still might buy that, but I'm gonna wait to see if they could break this blue line. Because that's a descending resistance line, I believe. Yeah. Descending resistance. Now they're below it. Okay, they broke right through it. Shit. Oh my god, I can't believe that. That went so fast. I gotta cancel that. Wow. I just took my hand off my mouse to crack my knuckles. I'll slug it in. Hopefully they don't just come right back down here though. Hoping for some retest. Doesn't. Holy shit. Okay, stop. What the frick? Alrighty, well, I guess that's how it goes. Yeah. Biggest candle of the day. What is that? That's gigantic. 27 cents. Well, there goes that trade. You could see how risky it is to be trading. That was like what, not even a 5-second trade. Let's see here. I don't believe I took a trade. Or I might have. Did I take a trade? I don't remember anymore. Guess I took a trade. Oh yeah, this is the first one. Yeah. So I was just making sure I didn't have an order open for some reason. Times 10 seconds. Yeah. Bought in, pulled back. I bought in. It started to come up instantly, like within a couple of seconds. It was back down there. So we're getting off them. They suck. MOTS. What are they doing here? They're very cheap, so I can go in with what? Like 50 of them again, I think. If I can click. Man, bless me. Bless myself when nobody else is. Ugh. They're gonna break this bottom here. Double bottom. That's good to see. You can drag this around to make it better. Nope, they broke it. So what other supports do they got down there, if any? None. So, yeah, they really don't have anything. You guys are gonna hear some background noise. Sorry for that. It's gonna sound like water. Somebody's taking a shower. Fortunately, this is where I am. So, there's not really a big support level there, so I'm not even gonna try to make a line. I was kind of analyzing the whole trend there, and there's just really nothing. Even on a 5 minute, there's really nothing. So, of course, my Kelly make a new high, I'll buy it. It's still only these two stocks in my scanner. I'm not sure if they're even in the alert scanner. It's only these two, which is a little weird. I don't know if I did something wrong or if that's really all there is today. Hitting, okay, never mind. I was gonna say they're hitting another double bottom. Volume is great. This is where everybody is. As you can see, the volume here is 31 million. The other one's only 5 million. But yeah, this one's actually got a bigger gap also. So let's see. Buy over 47. So 48, I'll buy. Put the order out. I think I could buy that many. $148 divided by 2. It's like 80 bucks. Not really. I should have enough though. Actually, I just realized there's a way to check that. You put your order out there. If you have buying power left, you can afford it. Because when you have an order out, it takes the buying power away. So, clear resistance here on the 90 MA. If they could break that, they might go right through 48 up to 50. But we'll see. Day trading is definitely slow. I feel like pausing it and stuff, but it's probably better if I don't. You can just skip through the video, I guess. Because, I mean, at least when I watch people's videos, I don't like it when they keep coming back. And, I mean, it saves you time, but I like to watch everything. Or skip through it to parts. So, leave a comment below if you want me to edit, like come back when there's nothing happening, or just keep going. It's a good question I need answered because I'm obviously doing this for the viewers, you guys. So whatever you guys want, if there's enough of you, I'll do what you want, I guess. So they have a clear resistance up here. They never even broke it. So now I'll have to move this down one. Actually, the break is there, so I can't do that. I can't buy here because I'll get filled at the top, and if they don't break it, then I don't want to be in. So I'm trying to cancel that now. Still no other gappers. I don't know. No, I don't think these are set up right. I couldn't get them to work last night, and then I just went to bed. So I was tired. But yeah, they wouldn't work. So I don't know if I did something wrong or not. I barely even edited them. It was really late at night. If you guys know how to make a halt or a momentum scanner, join the Discord. Link in the description below. You can help me out there. There's plenty of people in there. We all talk. We all help each other out. There's great traders in there, believe me. So make sure to just join that. If you don't like it, you can leave, but join it. It's free. Yeah, I'm sure you'll like it. And then you can help me out if you want. So, nothing else new is getting alerted. Relative volume is finally popping up in here. There we go. So these guys are just falling. I don't know anybody else to really trade. I don't have much money. I only had $300 for some reason today. So I had 500 of these yesterday. So my days are kind of lopsided money wise. So Monday, I need to um save like $100 or 150 or whatever it might be. I'll have to do the math, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pause. This is just boring. All right, I'm back. I just flipped over to ISNS because the other one just continues to crash. They ran up right after this gigantic candle. They consolidated. First minute candle make that new high break. It's right here. Perfect setup. I just didn't get it. Just didn't work for when I was in. So I'm gonna wait again here. Going with 20, I think. Can I afford that? Let's just put like an order out here and see. Yes, okay. First candle make a new high. I'm gonna buy this dip. Let's see. I don't know if I like the setup, but I won't be on TOS for long, so it's not really gonna matter to me. See if we can make back some money here. So we got 12, 11 seconds, 10. I want this candle to be just like that. Next candle to open, go up above it, and break. That's exactly what I want. I'll put my order out over 67 again. So let's see. I'm buying here because this level is a resistance level, and I'm buying the first minute candle to make the new high. I wait a couple cents, normally a cent, but in this case 2 cents, I believe, for confirmation that it actually did break. Because sometimes it might just go a cent and then instantly reject, kind of almost like it did there. It never broke, but it's coming right back down. It's technically bearish right now because the VWAP and both EMAs are way above it. Okay, it broke, and so you got rejected from up there. My stop, I got in at 66, so 10-cent stop or 12-cent stop is gonna be like 55ish. That's like the only support area. Can come stop me out. That would be a false breakout. You guys saw how fast it went right up, and then all of a sudden it was already a doji. Instantly it came back down. So that's what you call a false breakout. It gets everybody that was buying there to get in, and then everybody just sells to them. Nobody else just really bought in that move. Everybody just kind of sold in it. So hopefully I don't get stopped out. Hopefully this could be the start of a bigger move. But it's not looking too good now since that was a false breakout. But we'll see, I guess. Make sure I'm recording. I am. The 5 minute chart looks decent here. Okay, it needs to break this again. Hit the same spot, 570. They could break that, then it might go right up through VWAP. So we'll see. It's pulling all the EMAs down, so hopefully these will become support here soon. We need more volume to come in. You see the decreasing volume? There's less and less buyers buying here. So once the volume gets bigger than the previous, then it's going to look good. But it needs to be bullish volume, not bearish. So hit support again. That's why I have my stop 1 cent below. Yeah, I could have got stopped out there if it was 1 cent above, but it never broke. So that's why I always go 1 cent below or 1 cent above to get in and get out for the confirmation that it actually broke. Because sometimes they'll come down, they'll do this, they'll come down looking really bad, and then they'll bounce on the support level and then go up, make new highs. And if you didn't have your stop 1 cent below, you would have just got stopped out of the bottom and missed out on huge profit. So that's what I'd like to do. That's what kind of what I've learned over the last year and a half. Definitely helps a lot. I've been doing this for like a year, so Still, only these stocks are getting alerted and they're in the scanner. So I don't know if these are just the only things today. I don't know. I think I did everything right. I made them myself, so I don't even know. I added all these columns in and the scanner and everything. Okay, there it goes, finally. Break through the VWAP. It needs to break through VWAP for me to take profit. Okay. Break the VWAP, come on. It technically did, but I want to see a little bit more. Volume was not bigger. So we need more bullish volume. Come on. Break it, break it, break it. It's getting close, but then the sellers come right in. If it could break VWAP, it might have a little short squeeze because shorts use this as a stop also. Okay, volume finally got bigger, but it needs to close green to confirm it was bullish volume. Okay, finally broke it. There we go. Take that stop out. I'm going to try to take a couple of shares out up here. Can it hit 580 and more? Let's see here. Yes, it did. Instantly rejected though. That's not what you want to see. Okay. So now when this happens, you need to quickly get everything back in before it comes down to stop you out. And is it going to come stop me out? Don't even know. If it gets below that blue trend line, I'm going to have to just stop out there. I'm hoping the blue trend line is a support now. Because they're finally being bullish. As of now, they're not, because you could just see his candle engulf the entire move here. But yeah, if it breaks this candle, 59 is my stop, so I'm just going to put that in. Okay, broke it, got out at 59. It's probably going to make a new low. It bounced again, but I don't even want to be in this now because, again, it just had a great move. But it instantly, as soon as it broke a key level, it just flushed hard. So I don't want to be in this stock. It's probably going to break this right now. People are holding this because they don't want the move to be over. You see, as soon as it came down, it just went right back up. Everybody bought that, trying to get in on this level. It's a great spot to get in because the risk reward is there in case it does go up. Because you can buy like 100 shares here, well, doesn't matter how many, but then have your stop 1 cent below if they break. So it's a great trade plan. Because now if you bought down here at 55, you're already up 10 cents and you're risking 1 cent. That's a 10 to 1. And 10 cents on this is barely anything. It can move 20 to 30 cents. So it could be a 20 to 30 to 1 risk to reward ratio there. So maybe they come to make new highs. I don't know. How much buying power do I have? $6. Basically done for the day. It's another red day. Another chopping day. Again, I guess I should go to pre-market because, well, I don't know. I've been going market open because they've been moving more. But it seems that I just keep on catching these rips. And then I miss the ones I actually want. Like here. Zoom in. Here. It was looking good. It was first minute killer make this new high over this 660-ish level. Instantly flushed down. I said, okay, making new lows. I don't like the stock. I moved to a different one. Little did I know, a couple minutes later, that it looked good again. And it broke this trend line here. I could have bought here. I probably would have bought in here over this trend line, breaking the trend line there, and all the way up to $6, 50 cents there, or 45 cents there, or 35, something like that. I think it's 35 cents. But yeah. So let's come over and show down 654. It's another red day, not a big red day or anything. So it's nice I'm keeping the winners small, but wish I would get out. Four, no, 3 of the days this week are red. So I have 2 green days. They add up to like $10 ish, I think, maybe a little over that. Because I did trade an option. I forgot to put it in my video yesterday that I traded the option, but I did trade an option. I made $8 on it, so it put me green like $5 on a day. But my trader view doesn't, since it's free, you can't put options in there. So I kind of forgot about it in the video. But yeah, so it looks like I'm gonna be ending this month red. I'm down on the month. I think most people are down on this month or barely break even, barely profitable. Definitely one of my best months trade wise. So, but I'm just slightly down on the month. I think I'm down like $20. So there you go. If you do enjoy these videos, make sure to leave a like. Make sure to consider subscribing. This channel is doing very, very well. So thank you for the support. And with that, see you in the next video.